Good morning, Michael Walsh and Roger Norgel here, Norwal Farm. House update. They are putting the roofing on today. They've been working on the electric and the heating and ventilation. So I'll take you inside and let you show what they've done there. And some of the plumbing, run some of the water tubing and the piping. This is the laundry room and mud room. Shower stalls in. Got the furnaces and the air conditioning unit. There are actually two furnaces. We have radiant floor heating, but there's some booster furnaces too, just in case we need it. But a lot of tubing. Primary bath, got some of the tubing run and got the framing for the tub. The tub goes there, obviously. Shower is here. That's where the toilet goes, and the vanity here. We'll have tile above there, tile all the way around here, and then the whole shower area is tiled. So we're at a stage now where you don't see a lot from the outside. They're putting a lot of the, like I said, the duct work, water lines. Have to put all that in, get all that completed. The electricians are here today. They're running some wiring. So a lot of behind the scenes stuff. You won't see a lot of changes. Get that done and then they can do the drywalling and it'll start to take shape. Thanks again for joining us at Norwal Farm. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button, that helps our channel, and ring the notification bell of any new videos.